Hi, I'm Jeff Moore, a teacher and linguist in Tokyo. I want to teach you about the sounds of English. In today's lesson, we'll practice a few things that Japanese English learners often struggle with. What color is this dog? Try to say the word. Did you say howaito or white? Howaito is the way we say it in Japanese as a loan word, but the ho sound at the beginning is very old-fashioned. Think about all the words with a WH on them. Do you say an H sound, a H sound on those words? What, when, where, why, which? Older people say hua. By older, I mean 65 years and older. I don't say hua. I just say wa. Most younger people don't say hua. Let's try it both ways. Young way. What? When? Where? Why? Which? Old way.
What? When? Where? Why? Which?
This is an example of a sound change. The sounds of language change a lot over time, and from place to place. In 20 years, I'm sure that many of the things in my videos will be completely wrong. Now, how do you say kyokasho in English? Did you say tekisto? Sorry, that's waseigo. We call it a textbook. The book part is important. Let's look at the kst part. Most Japanese English learners have difficulty with this. They usually say kisto. Let's turn the two words into IPA. Do you notice something? Tekisto. Text. The Japanese one is much longer. In the Japanese language, we cannot put two consonants, kst, st, together. We always need a vowel, a, I, U, E, O, between them. We cannot even write a word without vowels in Japanese. Japanese English learners try to repair the English word. They insert vowels into the English word to make it fit the Japanese rules. English doesn't have that rule. K can sit next to s, and s can sit next to t, with no space and no sound between. Let's try it slowly. Ks, st, kst. Text. The same process happens with the word next. Japanese English learners insert vowels to repair it. Let's try it slowly. Ks, st, kst. Next. Now, try these two words. Can you make them sound different? For most Americans, walk has an ah sound. Ah, walk. The same sound as hot and lock. It's a low back sound. Open wide and pull your tongue far back. Ah, walk. There's another sound for this. You can hear it in the UK or on the east coast of the US, like in New York. It's between ah and o, and the lips are round. Aw, walk, walk, walk. Walk or walk Either sound is okay. But be careful, don't say woke. That sounds like woke. And that's a different word, meaning okiru. Work uses a different sound. Work. We curl our tongue up to make this sound. Try. Work. Can you say all three? I woke up and walked to work. I woke up and walked to work. Here are some more sets with the same sound change. Toke, talk, Turk, pose, pause, purrs, so, saw, sir. These middle sounds, talk, pause, saw, in my accent say ah, because I am from the west coast of the United States, ah. On the east coast of the United States and in the UK, they say aw. So it sounds like talk, and pause, and saw. But it's not the same as o. Talk, no. Talk. Pose, no. Pause. Soul, no. Saw. It's a little different. My mouth opens more. Aw. I think my accent, ah, is easier, but you can choose. In the next lesson, we'll look at a few more words and phrases that are hard for Japanese English learners. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Bye-bye.